Hey there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 5945 Coker Avenue here in Port St. John, Florida. So Port St. John is part of the Cocoa area. This is a very sought after neighborhood. This is the type of neighborhood where kids are still out riding their bikes and they're still trick-or-treating door to door and playing basketball up by the road. It's got all the schools encompassed into the Port St. John area. So you've got your elementary schools, you got the junior, senior high school. So all of that is right here in the Port St. John area. No reason to travel anywhere. So I'm going to show you this amazing home. Sellers said sell. I just did a price reduction on this one. So we have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, concrete block home. And as you can see, we walk in, we got the formal dining room. You've got your family room / living room here. You've got an amazing kitchen area. So you got a nice big pantry, nice bar area, little dining room nook here. So you can put a little dining table there. Cute little area on the side if you want to have a little coffee bar or whatever you wanted to make over there. Maybe a little desk area if you don't need coffee. So we do have the washer dryer in here, but these are not brand new, but they're willing to leave them. So you do have something as a starter. Now what we do have for new is you've got a dishwasher, a stove, a microwave, a refrigerator. And isn't it always nice to have brand new that nobody's ever used before? Look at the gleaming in there. Isn't that a pretty stove? Just so you can get a nice view of all the new that you get with this. All pretty brand new stuff. So we do have a nice big open concept here. I'm going to give you another view so you can see how much space you have in here. And we do have a nice split floor plan, but before we dive into the bedrooms, we are going to go ahead and check out the garage so you can see the garage area. Nice size garage. You've got all of your hurricane panels. We have a 2025 water heater. We've got a 2024 roof. So you've got some of the big ticket items that are almost brand new, which is always nice. Nice more view of this area. And we are going to cruise into the primary. And nice size primary bedroom. And as we go into the primary bathroom, you've got the double sinks, which is amazing. You've got a closet on this side. You've also got a walk-in closet. You have a nice garden tub. Look how deep that is. That is a nice soaker tub there, folks. And then in the toilet room, we do have our showers. So you do have the separate tub and shower in the primary. And again, double sinks, double mirrors, nice walk-in closet, plus that additional closet, and nice view of the primary bedroom again. And your little dining nook. Kitchen area, nice place for some bar stools. Gonna trek all the way to the other side of the house. And first bedroom, second bedroom, and the guest or children bath. So you've got the bath and shower combo there. Nice mirror, nice vanity area. And then we're going to trek over here, folks, and take a little walk outside. I'm going to spin around this way so you can see a nice view of the living room and kitchen before we go outside. So, nice big patio area, folks. Nice big screened-in patio. Concrete block home, which is nice to have. And out into this big backyard. So it was kind of a jungle out here, folks. So the grass has not all the way grown in yet, but they did clear out all the brush and trees. So you're fenced along the back, fenced on the sides, but both of the actual openings to the front are still open. So you need a little bit of fencing to say we are fully fenced in, but it is a huge yard, folks. There you go. So you can see that you do have a little bit of fencing that you need. But again, this is an amazing backyard. Plenty of space back here for a pool, playground, trampoline, just to play catch, just to sit around and get a little bit of sunshine. You got some pretty trees out here with some pretty flowering, but you got plenty of room if you wanted to put in some nice fruit trees. One more look at this big patio area. Like I said, it's a really nice big patio area. And we're going to get our bodies back inside again because we are in Florida and it is a bit warm. So folks, again, we are at 5945 Coker Avenue right here in Port St. John, Florida. And if you are looking for your forever home or a getaway here in Florida, nothing better than getting a place with some brand new appliances, 2024 roof, 2025 water heater, and the fact that you are in an amazing family-friendly neighborhood, no HOA, split floor plan, concrete block house, 2024 roof again. So folks, if you'd like to see this home at 5945 Coker Avenue here in Port St. John, just give me a call, shoot me a text. I would love to show you this home in person. My number is 321-480-7662. Again, 321-480-7662. Hope to talk to you very soon and show you this gorgeous home. Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, signing off.